Hello everyone. Are you tired of tedious manual subtitle creation? Well, good news. AI has prepared a solution for you. In this video, I will show you how to easily master how to quickly generate subtitle with AI tools, making subtitle production easier than ever before. Get ready to feel the magic power of AI subtitles. Now that speech-to-text artificial intelligence technology is relatively mature, there are various AI tools that can help us generate subtitles quickly and easily. Today, I want to share two very useful tools for video subtitle generation. One is Capcut, and the other is Whisper. First, let's look at Capcut. You can register easily if you have a Google account. This is the Capcut homepage. Let me create a new video. So let's start our first project. And I want to upload my video called input.mp4. So I can drag my video to this place. And then select the caption in the left menu bar. There are many ways to generate captions. You can choose automatic captions, manual captions, and upload caption file. I am using the first option. Click the generate button. Because my video is still uploading, so I need to wait a bit. I think it's okay now, so let me try again. And it's generating 97%. Okay, it only takes a few seconds to complete, so the generation speed is very fast. Let's take a look at the right side at the menu options. The animation option can select the dynamic settings of these subtitles. So the subtitles can be displayed word by word and can be presented in different colors. You can preview to have a sense how they look like. Okay, let me choose this one. And in the basic option, there are the font size, color, thickness settings. And in the presets, this feature is very useful. I would like to choose the option with the black text on a yellow background option. But you can also choose the other ones if you like. Let's preview it.
So we've heard a lot about artificial intelligence.
If you wanted to translate your video into another language, it's easy too. You can select the translate option in the bottom left corner and it will do it automatically. I just downloaded the output file. Let's see how it performs.
People think about AI today, so I tried to figure out what did we think about artificial intelligence 61 years ago. So first of all, people ask,
Let's look at the second tool, Whisper, which is an automatic speech recognition system from OpenAI. It's trained with more than 680,000 hours of multilingual and multitask supervised data and improves robustness to accents, background noise, and technical language. Like Capcut, Whisper has the ability to transcribe and translate multiple languages. Let's try it out now. This is the Colab environment for Whisper. We could see that it has 5 steps in total. So let's run the step 1, install Whisper. And the second step is install FMmpeg. This is for video processing. And the third step is to upload the file. And I want to upload my input.mp4 file to drag it here directly. And it's uploading. Then step 4 is transcribe, so I want to change the name. I want to change the video name to be input.mp4. The last step is translation, so we first change the video name. And you can change the language as needed in the command line as well. English is the default output, and you can also change the parameter. You can check the abbreviation for the language name. The processing time is a bit long, about 3 minutes, so I'm currently playing it at 4 times speed. The transcription is pretty good, including timestamps and content. The subtitle output text on the left offers multiple formats. You could see the JSON, SRT, TSV, TXT, and VTT format. And the most common one is the SRT format. The translation part, the results look, it doesn't look very good. Many paragraphs are still in English, and the translation quality is very low, so I think they haven't really developed this feature yet. After the previous tests, I think if there are commercial and professional needs, I will use Capcut because it's fully functional and has stable performance. If I am a technology enthusiast, I will choose to explore Whisper because there is open source code to learn from. We only took a few simple steps today to get beautiful subtitles. In addition, with artificial intelligence, you can get translations for multilingual audiences, helping you reach more people than ever before. So, are you ready to generate your own subtitled videos? Try these AI tools and wish you happy subtitling.